Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of how to log in. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Arkham Crypto account. Watch the video till the end. To log into your Arkham Crypto account, firstly open your Google search. Type in Arkham Crypto login and make a search. The search results will be displayed on the screen. Tap on login link shown on the page. It will take you to the login page of Arkham Crypto. Enter your email address as well as password associated with your Arkham Crypto account. Click on the box that says I am not a robot. After entering your email address and password, click on sign in. This is how you can log into your Arkham Crypto account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was useful to you. Thank you so much for watching.